What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV, and yeah, I've found out extraordinarily sad news. Um, I don't look at a lot of TV, man. Sometimes I didn't have the TV on. I noticed a couple people was hitting me up on Facebook. I thought maybe they were just saying, they liked the video I put out, going at Nick Wright. I don't know how to explain the feeling. It's not just shock. Of course, there's sadness. Um, it's surreal. It's surreal because not only because Kobe is a notable person, a legend in basketball, but it's surreal because of how much he's been in the news as of late. You know, just last night, LeBron James passed him in scoring. Kobe had this season started attending basketball games again, NBA games, because of his daughter's interest in the sport, her growing passion for basketball, a passion that many kids share in this country, that people share in this country. And, you know, he's been giving his opinions about the players of the day. Um, he's been working on various projects, films. He's been having a very productive retirement. Um, and of course, the biggest honor to his career, he was going to be inducted into the Hall of Fame this year, along with Tim Duncan, Kevin Garnett, Chris Bosh, and he's gone just like that. This is why. This is why human decency has to come back into play when we're talking about sports. It's one thing to critique an athlete, but when you start personally going at athletes, making it personal, it goes beyond the pale. At the end of the day, this is just sports. These are human beings with real lives, fragile lives, that can be taken away from them just like that. Kobe Bryant was a superhuman on the court, but all it took was a tragic accident to take him away forever. So, I don't know the details yet. I've heard it was 5 passengers. All we know is that Kobe was one of them. I've heard unsubstantiated reports about other people there, but I don't know who else was on the plane. I'm just using a helicopter, and it's just I'm just I don't get it, man. Kobe probably flew in that helicopter 1,000 times throughout his career to travel from his home to the Staples Center to play. Why? I don't I don't I don't get it. I do not understand it. But Kobe Bryant, unfortunately, has died at the age of 41. A great man, a great father, a legend in basketball. May he rest in peace.